Shaba Fetu, so earlier on today, Siwelele FC announced the arrival of former Orlando Pirates striker Zakhele Lipasa on a free transfer, considering that he was a free agent after being released by Orlando Pirates. But now he has secured a new home at the Bloemfontein-based club Siwelele FC. Remember, Zakhele Lipasa, he was a free agent, so the deadline, which was on Monday, the 22nd of September, does not affect him as a free agent. But now he's no longer a free agent. And I think this is the conclusion of the business for Iswelel FC, considering that they have made signings like Mashiane and Zamkelo Zwane from Kaizer Chiefs, both secured on loan. But there was a stumbling block on their business. The stumbling block I'm referring to is Keegan Johannes of Mamelodi Sundowns. There was a stumbling block in the way that Keegan Johannes was supposedly joining Iswelel FC, but Iswelel FC later on realized what no, he cannot, because their loan quota is full.